So hi guys, welcome to Seashore Tile YouTube channel. I'm James, the professional builder. I'm here to help you today with all your remodeling projects. So in this short video, we'll be showing you how to install a liner successfully. So let's move on and get our hands dirty. Come on, follow me. So for the first step, we'll be doing the shower liner, which when you lay the liner in there, you want to make sure you never cut it with anything, and you always fold your inside corners. And the only time you cut your liner is where the bolts are for the drain. So when you're installing the liner, you would like to put the screws above your threshold, never below it. So I'm going to explain how we usually build the threshold. We usually use 3 2x4s, and they'll be pressure treated. That way it's water resistant, and you make it 3 high. So in this process for the drain, to do it properly, so you want to use a razor knife and you want to cut slits on each there's 4 bolts, and you want to cut a slit on top of each bolt. And after doing that, you would wiggle the bolt through the little slit, and then you would cut 4 slits in the middle for the drain. And you'll put your top cover ring on there, slide it on, lock it in, then you'll use a 7/16 ratchet and tighten all 4 of them down. It doesn't have to be real tight, just a little snug, and that's fine. You screw your drain in, and you want to leave it about 1 inch above the concrete. So thanks guys for sticking with us and watching this video. Okay guys, so we're working really hard on remodeling this bathroom, and not only that, we're working hard to give you helpful tips and good content on this video. So we'll see you next video. Thanks.